Hi everyone and welcome to Refugee Green. Today we are going to talk about the ultimate secret of the top 10 gardens for small spaces. If you have limited outdoor space, you might think that you can't have a beautiful garden, but that's simply not true. What is small space gardening? Small space gardening is the art of creating a beautiful and functional garden in a limited amount of space. It's a way to bring nature into your home and enjoy the benefits of gardening even if you have limited outdoor space. Benefits of small space gardening. There are many benefits to small space gardening, including increasing oxygen levels, reduce stress levels, and the opportunity to grow your own fresh produce. Plus, gardening is a great way to connect with nature, exercise, and improve your mental health. Planning your small space garden. Determine your garden purpose. Before you start planning your garden, it's important to determine what you want to achieve with your space. Do you want to grow vegetables, herbs, or flowers? Do you want a relaxing space to unwind in or a functional space for entertaining guests? Access your space. Once you have determined your garden's purpose, it's time to access your space. Consider factors such as sun exposure, wind, and water access. These factors will determine the type of plants and garden design will work best for your space. Choose your garden container. When it comes to small space gardening, the container you choose is just as important as the plants you select. Consider factors such as size, durability, and style when selecting your container. The ultimate secret of the top 10 gardens for small spaces. Container garden. A container garden is a great option for those who have limited space. Simply choose a container that fits your style and plant your favorite flower, herbs, or vegetable. Vertical garden. A vertical garden is another great option for small spaces. This type of garden utilizes space effectively by growing plant vertically on walls or fences. Raised garden bed. A raised garden bed is a great option for those who have a small outdoor space. Raised garden beds allow you to grow a variety of plants in a compact area. Window garden. A window garden is a great option for those who have limited outdoor space. Simply choose a sunny window, install shelves or hooks, and plant your favorite herbs or flowers. Rooftop garden. A rooftop garden is a great option for those who live in an apartment or townhouses. Utilize your rooftop space to create a beautiful garden oasis. Balcony garden. A balcony garden is a great option for those who have a small balcony or terrace. Choose plants that fit your space and style and enjoy your own private garden. Kitchen garden. A kitchen garden is a great option for those who love to cook. Grow your favorite herbs and vegetables in your kitchen for easy access when cooking.